In this episode, Bunkie is going to show you how to make a cathedral window. No, not that kind of window. This sweet holiday treat.
Hi everybody! Today on Cooking So Easy with Bunkie, I'm going to be showing you how to make cathedral windows. All you will need is condensed milk, all-purpose cream, mango, 3 types of jello, gelatin, and water. Now we're going to mix the condensed milk and all-purpose cream together. Now we're going to add the jello, the sweet flavored jello. Now we're going to stir. And now the mango. Looking very festive. We're going to put 4 envelopes of gelatin and 1¼ cups of hot water. You have to make it hot so the gelatin can dissolve. Now we're going to pour the liquid into the jello mixture. Now we're going to mix. We're going to move from the mixing bowl to the mold. Look how pretty. Now we're going to put it with some lamp wrap and stick it in the fridge until it's ready. Now the cathedral windows are done. Look how yummy!
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.